Hello friends, how are you? Myself Dr.Prem from Healthy Life. And sometimes we are unaware of small things which are very important for our health. And today we will make something very healthy and delicious. And it is Gulukand Milkshake. Wow! Gulukand is very good in summers. This I'm using my homemade Gulukand, and it is very important to take in summers. I especially made for you because in summers it keeps our stomach and intestine very cool, and it also protects us from acidity, and it keeps our body cool in summers, and we are protected from loo also. Here I'm keeping all the ingredients. I've taken nuts, a few nuts. And in nuts you can take a few almonds, few pista, walnuts, sunflower seeds and watermelon seeds. And about I've taken 2 tablespoons of gulukans, and I've taken 1 tablespoon of chia seeds which had been soaken for about 10 minutes. I'm taking a bit of Rooh afza or sugar that you can take according to your taste. And now what we are going to do, the ingredients are ready. I have taken about 1 glass of full cream milk to make 1 glass of our Gulukand, Gulukand milkshake. So let us start our work. I'm just grinding the nuts in the mixer grinder, and here I've added, and all the nuts, after adding you can add some Rooh afza and little bit of milk, and then let us grind here in the grinder, and so that it becomes very fine. You can say it should be rotated so that we can mix it into fine pulp, and it is very good for our health, good for eyesight also, and it gives relief to our nerves. And this Gulukand milkshake is very good for weight loss. And here I've added 2 tablespoons of Gulukand, and I'm adding few chia seeds also, and here little bit of milk, about 1/4 tablespoon, 1/4 glass of milk I'm adding, so that we can mix the mixture into a fine pulp. Otherwise, it doesn't get mixed up properly. If we add all the milk together, it remains not into a very fine pulp. So see the pink color, and these roses and Gulukand is really very good for health. And just see the color. I wanted to show you the color. And now I think we can add the leftover milk, and again we can rotate it for about 2 or 3 minutes, and let us rotate again. Oh, beautiful pulp it's going to be. I had made many times, and today I'm specially making for you. Again I'm rotating, and remember, rotate it on vibration mode so that it forms a beautiful, you can say, milkshake. Oh, I have poured in the glass, and see the thickness of this Gulukand milkshake, and adding some chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, and here we can garnish with 1 or 2 drops of strawberry essence. It gives a yummy flavor. I have added 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 drop of strawberry essence, and I have garnished with 2 or 3 pistas and a little bit of cherry. Oh, the cherry has gone down, no problem, but it is having a very good flavor. And our Gulukand milkshake is ready. Wow, it is really looking very yummy. Yeah, and it's ready, but I'm going to serve you. I'm going to keep in a pretty bowl, and you come and serve and have it with me. And you can like and subscribe my channel. And the Gulukand milkshake is so yummy. And thank you very much, my dear friend.